guys, it's Nam here, and I just got my new bike, and I decided to film a series of my first cafe razor build to share with you guys what I learned, what I make as wrong, and how I fix it. And you guys can see that the bike is still wrapped, and even myself only see the bike by the picture that the last owner sent me. So today it is the first time I see this bike for real. And now let's unboxing it, and I will explain why I chose this bike and what I will do with it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the bike, the Honda CJ125 2017 version, and let's have a look around it. Really awesome. I just love the look of it. So you guys can see that we have some little scratch or dust at the right of the bag, but it is okay, we will take it off. I don't use it, and we have some paint off here and some rust corrosion at the stand. We will fix it later, easy. And I also found that we have a little dent here at the tank. No problem, we will fix it. So this is the engine, and you guys know I just love the engine, the carburetor, everything on the engine. So now we will try to start this bike and see how it's going on. So let's put on the key. First that. You guys may hear that. I think it is the sound of the starter relay. Nothing happened. And now even the sound disappeared. I think we may have some problem with the starter relay or even the battery. We will check it out later. So let's try the Kickstarter. See how it is going on. Come on. So we have sound really great. Really great, guys. So I think this bike is in the rich air fuel mixture condition. I think the air box here maybe is very dirty inside, so it is rich mixture right now. We will check it out later, but at this point everything is perfect. The look of the bike, the engine. We may have some problem with the starter relay or even the battery, but we can fix it. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the reason why I chose this bike. There are two main reasons for it. The first one, since it is my first cafe racer build, so I want to learn more about the bike, the structure of it, how everything is connected together and works. So I want to start with the simple one. And obviously the Honda CG 125 is very simple, only one engine, one carburetor, nothing complicated or fancy on this bike, so it is a good one for me to start with. And the second reason, the bike and the parts of it are cheap. It is relatively cheap if you compare to the Yamaha Virago 125 or 250, which is my favorite V-twin engine, very good looking. But I think the V-twin engine is a little complicated for me at this point. So in my process, I may get something wrong or ruin some parts of the bike, but I can easily find and buy a new one and respec it. So the Honda CG 125 is suited for me. Just make sure that you start with the bike that you're comfortable. You can start with the Yamaha Virago or even the Honda CB series, something like that. Just start with the bike that make you comfortable. So for my next bike, I may get some Yamaha Virago V-twin engine. At that time, I think I have that confidence to start with more complicated bike. So now I will take the bike outside and give it a wash, and we will see what to do in the next episode. So see you guys.